Happy birthday to you, my one and only father in the Lord, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Thank you for being you. You are the absolute best. And I'm so grateful that God has placed me in your care. You're an amazing gift to this world and personally to me because of all the many things that you continue to do for us. You work so hard to keep us spiritually and you keep us even physically by taking care of so many of us. Thank you for being so selfless, so generous, so kind. With your time, with your resources, with everything that you have, you make the world a better place. And the kingdom of God is so grateful because we have you as a general leading us forward. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for praying for us. Thank you for making time for us as your sons and your daughters. And as believers, we are better because we have you in front of us. But happy birthday to you, Father. I love you so much. And I'm so excited for the next time I get to see you. But for now, have a fantastic day. I love you so much from here in the UK. This is Rodwell. Happy birthday, Dad.